Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to e-commerce know-how. Today I'll be covering Shopify versus Amazon pros and cons review comparison. Let's get into the video. What's the difference between Amazon and Shopify? Let's consider these two platforms. The main difference between Amazon and Shopify may appear obvious, to be honest. It is. Amazon is a ready-made marketplace, whereas Shopify focuses on you designing and building your store from scratch. So in other words, Amazon easily attracts buyers to its single online marketplace, which allows you to reach millions of potential customers worldwide, while Shopify simply gives you the tools to build a standalone web store rather than putting you in front of customers too. This is a key difference, and so it might seem clear-cut. After all, if Amazon already has a fabulous reputation and huge customer following which you can tap right into, that's a decision made surely, right? Well, not entirely, because to access Amazon's customer base, there is of course something you must give into. You will pay a percentage of every sale you make to Amazon. You will also have to abide by their rules, as you would expect. Shopify, on the other hand, although requiring you to market your store yourself once designed and built, as there is no ready-made traffic, allows you to keep more of your sales profit, as you won't be relinquishing a fee. It's a tricky one, isn't it? That's why these key differences make it hard to compare Amazon and Shopify like for like. What you can discover though, through a comparison of Amazon and Shopify, is a better understanding of which platform will suit you and your specific business model. The pros and cons of selling on Shopify. First, a little more about Shopify. It is, as you would expect, a leading e-commerce platform that allows budding entrepreneurs to start their online store without any technical experience. Because of its simplicity, user-friendliness, and host of design features, it's an excellent place to start for those, including newbies, who want to launch an online business with very little skill. Shopify is all about building a premium quality web store of your own. This, of course, means that you won't be competing directly with anyone else because the store belongs to you. While this sounds fun, remember that building your store will be exciting, but the real work begins when you understand that you must find customers and drive traffic to your local store to make it work. It has to be said that there are a large number of pros to choosing Shopify as your e-commerce platform. Pros. With Shopify, the pros just keep on coming. You can get access to the basic plan, design and build your store, and trial it for 90 days completely free. During this time, you can use Shopify payments, which also cost nothing, so you'll get a clear idea of exactly how a Shopify store can work for you. Because it's such a flexible platform with access to e-commerce tools and apps, you'll be able to build your brand identity from day one and expand very easily. Cons. The most crucial aspect of Shopify is to be aware of the enormous job marketing of your store once it's built. Marketing is a full-time task, and you won't have the reputation of a platform like Amazon to piggyback off it, so it'll take time, effort, and money to promote your brand and start getting sales. You won't see any reports on the basic plan either, so you'll need to keep track of data yourself. Remember too that if you don't use Shopify payments, you'll incur a transaction fee on all your sales. The pros and cons of selling on Amazon FBA. Let's now look at Amazon. Amazon is also a leading platform and can be pretty straightforward to use. Although listing a product and adding images can sometimes be time consuming, as there are lots of back-end sections to complete. Like Shopify, it's the perfect place for newbies to start, especially those with zero technical experience. At this point, you may already be thinking that although Shopify has many pros, Amazon sounds like it could be the more comfortable option. After all, it offers FBA, a ready-made marketplace, and of course, reputation beyond your wildest dreams. So let's see. Pros. You can trial Amazon for 30 days, allowing you to get grips with setting up your product, listings, and start selling immediately to a worldwide audience. In reality, you could list a product and get your first sale within an hour. If you choose to register using FBA, the setup process is longer, as you'll have to ship your products to a dedicated Amazon warehouse, but in doing so, you cover not only your storage and fulfillment by Amazon, will also deal your customer service, any returns and refunds, so it's completely hands-off for you. Cons. Amazon's fees, while pretty reasonable, bearing in mind that you reach a ready-made audience, can appear to eat your profits quite dramatically. This, coupled with a highly saturated platform when it comes to some categories, restrictions, and of course undercutting by competitors, could mean that the fees just aren't worth the extra services offered. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. Also watch the 2 videos that are on your screen, because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.